every member of the family of Indian administration under the aegis of Election Commission of India have been overcoming many such challenges to conduct free and fair elections in the country right from its first elections. Taking Indian democracy to its heights is not possible unless each and every one of you, every voter, walks down to the polling station on the voting day. Download Voter Helpline app, find your polling station, without fail, walk out on May 10th and cast your vote. Today from Department of Youth Empowerment and Sports and General Timaya National Academy of Adventure, we had this as part of Sveep activity. We had this Cloud 9 climb in Savandurga, one of Asia's largest monolithic structure. This is to encourage all of you to come out and for India to reach its peak of democracy. It's for all of you to come out and vote. Don't forget, vote May 10th.